This Clarke CSB10 Siphon Feed Sandblaster is a powerful sandblasting kit which offers great control and efficiency. It can be used to quickly remove paint, surface rust, dirt, grease and burrs. Floor standing, the CSB10 features two large rubber wheels and a handle for easy manoeuvrability across your workshop floor, and weighs 22.6 kilograms. It has a standard 1/4-inch BSP air inlet connector and should be fed by a 3 horsepower compressor. The CSB10 is supplied with everything you need to start blasting. It has a 3.7-gallon tank, a sandblasting gun, delivery hose, safety hood and mask, plus 4 different size ceramic nozzles of 4, 5, 6 and 7 mm. It is suitable for use with Clarke aluminium oxide grit, garnet powder or glass beads, and the medium is simply poured into the tank. Pulling the trigger on the all-metal gun then feeds the grit under pressure onto the object to be cleaned. So with its 3.7-gallon mobile abrasive tank, an extra long 10-foot suction hose, 4 ceramic nozzles and a safety hood, the CSB10 Sandblaster is ready to go straight out of the box.